Hello friends, today we are going to look at a program called Text Analysis Virtual Doctor. The code for this program is very simple. As you can see, there are a couple of sprites that I have already added. First is by default we will be getting Toby, and then for John we just have to go to choose a sprite. Then we have to search for John. John is the second sprite that is available here. So once you click the John, then John will appear. For John, I have made his size as 200, and the default Toby, I have changed his original size to 100. And I have also changed Toby's direction to 155 degrees so that he appears as if he is sleeping or lying on the bed. In this program, Toby will be displaying saying that I'm not feeling well, could you please help me, for every 2 seconds, and then there will be a gap or delay for another 3 seconds, and then again Toby will say that he is not feeling well, could you please help me, for another 2 seconds. The whole thing will repeat until the program is being stopped, because we have used a while true statement here for Toby. And for the stage, as a backdrop, I used a bedroom. Okay, bedroom, you can find it here as I have shown you just now. And then once you have the bedroom, for the bedroom we don't have to code anything here for the stage. And John, we have a very long line of codes. Basically, John will diagnose Toby's condition. So after diagnosing Toby's condition, John will give suggestion or recommendation based on the condition. For example, let's say Toby has fever, then he will say it's essential to rest and stay hydrated. Then I recommend taking some fever reducing medication as well. For the condition, we will be using text analysis extension for this program. Okay, now I'm going to explain briefly on how the program works when we run the program. Okay, so when we run the program, our webcam will switch on, and then we will display a text towards the webcam, and the webcam will capture whatever text that we have written, and then it will analyze based on that. And after analyzing the text, and then John will be suggesting what needs to be done to Toby. So basically, whatever text that we are showing to the webcam is actually Toby's condition. For example, Toby could be having fever or cough or headache or something, anything like that. So friends, the code is actually very long, so don't worry, I'll be giving you guys on the code in the description below, so you guys can copy and paste in your Pictoblox and try to run the same similar program as how I have done it here. Okay, friends, before we test the code, we must make sure that we have already signed in to Pictoblox server in order to run this program, since it will be using external extension here. Okay, so let me just sign in first before I proceed with the testing with the code. Okay, I've just signed in. Now we can proceed with testing the code. As you can see, I'm showing a text in front of my webcam. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to flip the camera. That is why it's not detecting the text that I'm showing in front of my webcam, and John is asking me to try again. After successfully flipping my webcam, the text that is being shown in front of the webcam is detected well. Therefore, John is recommending what needs to be done as a diagnosis for Toby's condition, as how we coded the program. So everything seems to work perfectly, and I'm very happy to program this game. I really hope you guys try this program out yourself and have fun with it. Okay, till then, have a great day. See you on next video, guys. Take care. Bye for now.